What's on the next page?
My peep. Oh, holy.
Next page?
Maybe it's done.
Oh, I paused it. Can you read the next page?
Okay.
Yeah?
And that is that.
He's stuck. Hey, you must remember this pretty good. The horsey? Is he going to help?
No. And cow.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, the cow says move.
Peep. Peep.
The truck says beep.
Peep. Flap and flap.
The frog?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Yep. The little green toad.
Is it done?
It's done? Did you read the whole thing?
No, it's done again.
You want to read it again?
Peep. Peep.
Do you want me to read it to you?